What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor trader here in quarantine still. I gotta shave a little bit. I'm looking at myself in the camera. I'm sorry, I'm not all done up. I just wanna be real with you. Kind of scary times, not gonna lie. But at the same time, a lot of people are like losing their minds, trying to just, do something, right? Like they're watching Netflix, they're playing video games, they're FaceTiming, maybe they're reading, maybe they're watching, I don't know, whatever, some series, some TV show, some movie. I, on the other hand, my top students, on the other hand, we're having ridiculous months. I don't know whether it's the actual record. I know Tim Grittani's having a record month. He made over $700,000 last month. I made a little over $50,000. So, I'm trading smaller. He's trading more aggressively. A lot of other students are banking. I know Jack Kellogg had a record month, nearly 80,000 in profits. Mark Crook had 160,000. And I could sit here, literally, I could do like a 30-minute video just naming all of my students making, tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands per month. But I think if you follow along, like you realize that enough because, they're alerting it in the chat room. I'm going to post a link just below this, 2 links actually. One, for my free volatility guide. If you're not making money, if you're confused, if you're overwhelmed, if you're just beginning, this market can be very scary. I made a volatility guide just to help you get through, what's going on right now and to help optimize your process. One of the lessons is Tim Bowen giving a great lesson on how to optimize stocks to trade. This is software that you should use every day. I'm actually going to include 3 links below. I'm sorry, I'm changing this. There's a 3rd link with a special for stocks to trade. So 1 link is my free volatility guide, 100% free. I want you to have no excuse whatsoever not to study it. Secondly, I'm going to include a link to my challenge. This is where all my top students are. Some people say, oh, I don't want to pay for education. Then don't, okay? I'm not begging. We're not looking for students with the wrong attitude. If you want hot picks, if you just want overnight millions and you don't actually want to learn the process, don't bother applying. You could offer me $1 million and I will say no. I don't need $1 million from anybody. Life is too short to deal with negative, toxic people. A lot of students have the wrong attitude. It's kind of cool where I get to choose my students. So the challenge is very much based around if you want to learn. If you are dedicated, if you want to be my next millionaire student, I'll gladly accept you. Just have the right attitude. If you're lazy, don't talk to me. If you're like the grammar police, don't talk to me. We're not going to get along. I'm just trying to save us both a lot of issues. I have a good problem, but it is still a problem where I have to weed out people who are the wrong fit. And the link below for my challenge, if you do apply, understand it's a very tight-knit community. Everyone in the chat room is actually amazing. I have access to, 40, 50 chat rooms now all over the internet. There's so many. Most of them are absolute shit. Most of them are useless. But I still look at them because I like betting against a lot of what the newbies are doing. A lot of short sellers these days are creating the best short squeezes. Shh, don't tell them. But my challenge chat room, I'm pretty honored because it's my favorite chat room and I own it, which is pretty awesome. It's cool to be real in this industry full of fakes. And the challenge chat is where Tim Grittani is alerting his trades. I alert my trades. Michael Good, Tim Lento, Mark Crook, Jack Kellogg. Again, I could go on and on, but it's a really beautiful community that is not right for everybody. And I just want to be honest with you. There's no harm in, wanting hot picks. There's no, it's not a bad thing to be like, just want to be mediocre and you don't want to be a millionaire. You don't want to work hard. I get it. I mean, what you have to do to actually be my next millionaire student, it's a lot of work. I'm not going to lie to you. So it's okay if you don't want to put in that time or maybe you don't have that much time. But if you do, this is the program. This is the chat. This is the community for you. And I'm really excited to create more millionaire students. Mark Crook, my newest millionaire student, made nearly $200,000 last month. He has a beautiful baby. I went to his wedding. This is more than just stocks. This is more than just money. This is about developing a process and getting enough knowledge so that you can win more times than not. None of us win 100% of the time. I don't want you to think that. We don't even win 90 or even 80% of the time. We win 50, 60, 70%. But our wins are bigger than our losses and it adds up to millions in a few years. I don't know anybody else who who can say that. I see a lot of traders where they post like a year-end statement or a month-end statement and like, look, here's one JPEG, here's one PDF. Show me every trade, the details. What was your position size? What was your gain? Show me your losses. Show me the risks you took. The sad thing is that most people in this industry will come up with excuses galore. And then, they usually make, negative remarks at those of us who are transparent. I've heard everything that, my dad trades my money. My charity is an offshore scheme for tax dodging. I don't even post pictures of real money. It's all fake money that I bought off eBay. None of that is true. My dad doesn't trade my money. I wouldn't let him touch my money, first of all. I wouldn't let anybody touch my money because I'm self-sufficient. My charity actually is real. We actually have donated nearly $5 million now in the past few years. It's not a tax dodge. It's not offshore. It's an American charity, Karmagawa Foundation. You can look it up. Very proud that we're closing in on our 70th school built, and we're helping animals and so many other communities. We have a healthcare center. We have a soccer field. I'm not even here to brag, but the lies against me, and I post all my real cash. Business Insider even followed me one day to the bank where I took out over $1 million in cash just to show, like, I'm real. But if you have any doubts, again, don't bother learning. One of the reasons why I just didn't want to shave and just talk to you is I just want to be real with you. There's such a phenomenon right now where there's so many fakes in my industry, and they all try to look the best, and they try to put icing on the cake and a little cherry on top, and you're like, wow, this seems so good. And they're just fake. Binary options, Forex, crypto schemes galore, imposters galore. It comes with the territory. I only have one account on every social media network. If you get like a request on Twitter from like Tim Sykes 54793, that's not me. If you get Tim_Sykes _crypto team on Instagram, that's not me. I have one verified profile, and I don't have time to create other accounts. I don't have special accounts. If I'm going to do a trade, I'm going to talk about that trade openly. I don't have other trading accounts that I hide. It's a very strange thing where I literally can talk for hours on just what I do versus what the fakers do. And I want to be real with you because I want to weed out students who are not, frankly, the best fit, for lack of a better term. I'm having like this worldwide search for dedicated students. I don't have a script here. I'm just telling you what I need. And maybe it's you, because I don't know, who's watching this. I throw these videos up on the internet. Anybody can watch it. And I do want more dedicated students. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, or if you're in America or Europe or Asia or South America. I don't have any female millionaire students yet, not because there's anything wrong with female traders. In fact, statistically, they're better, but I just don't have that many female students in the first place. I don't know, maybe I make too many jokes. I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend males or females. I don't know. I talk to a camera. I talk to a laptop. I type on my phone most of the day. I've kind of lost it. But for me, it's all about teaching the process and the strategy. That's what matters most. If there's a perfect play, jokes stop. My focus is on everything. I get scary focus. Here's JB is filming this. Say hi, JB.
What's up?
How crazy am I when there's like a trade? I'm like, everyone shut up.
Yeah, for sure.
That's what it is. And I want total focus from you, just like it's total focus for me. And mind you, I trade with a small account. I donate all of my trading profits to charity. I don't need to trade anymore, but I like trading. And more important than the money that I make from trading is just real-time examples of the patterns that I teach. And the volatility guide, which is free, which is down below, the millionaire challenge, which is the link is below, and the special for stocks to trade down below. Those are 3 links that can only help you if you have the right mindset. Okay, if you sign up and you're like, yeah, I'm not really into it, it's still not going to help you. In order to become my next millionaire student, you have to want this. You have to become obsessed. So I'm going to be real with you because I want more millionaire students. Will you be dedicated? Will you be real with me? Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're going to study, how bad you want it. It doesn't matter your background. You don't have to be that smart or good at math. I just need dedication, and I need you to follow my instructions. So step number 1, click all of the 3 links below this video. Check them out. Even if you don't sign up for the Millionaire Challenge, even if you don't take advantage of the special from Stocks to Trade, even if you don't watch my free guide, which I don't know why because it's free, but even if you don't, at least click it and check them out. and then leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I'm curious to hear it. I love meeting new students, especially if you're dedicated.